Hello, my crafty friends. Well, I'm going to do another page in my scavenger hunt journal today, and this is going to be the nature page. And I got this book at the thrift store recently, and I've actually gotten this same book a couple of times. The first time I bought it, my kids wouldn't let me use it. No, mom, no, that's too pretty. So they've got a copy in our bookshelf now. This exact same book. But I want to show you this book a little bit because you might want to look for it. I have seen these in quite a few thrift stores, but since I had one that was in the bookcase and I had one I had already bought, I let the other one sit there. But when I saw this one, I needed a third book because they had it was one of those days where you buy one book and get two books free, and I only had two books. And I saw this one. I thought, well, I know I'll use that again because I've used so much of the other one already. But I'm just going to show you. Even the index has, pretty cool. I think it'd be fun to do an alphabet book and use one of these as the page thing from each letter of the alphabet. If I had known that when Tanya did her alphabet book, that would have been good. Now, I just used, not too long ago, this image from the back of that other book. But I just want to show you kind of, so you can look for it if you think that it's got stuff in it you're interested in. It does have a lot of photographs, but it also has a lot of drawings. And I'm more interested in the drawings than the photographs. But it does have a lot of nice photographs. I'm going to skip page. Now that, I just think that is gorgeous. And that would be a good nature page all by itself. So would that one. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. That came out really easy, didn't it? Okay, let's keep looking. I like this too because it gives an overview of a lot of nature in one page. So I'm going to go ahead and take that one too. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. And that one came out real easy except for this one little bit. Okay, and there's another page with a bunch of animals on it. So if you like drawings and you like photographs of nature, you get all of those things. And I love this fox. I think I've used him somewhere before too. Aren't those birds pretty? And the owls. I've used this owl before, I think on an iCad, but I'm not positive. Yeah, if you want a page with attitude, there you go. I really love the mix of photographs and drawings. And especially of the plants. I kind of think it'd be fun to put this man maybe in that picture too. Not sure. But we're going to get him out. Isn't that pretty poppies? I think I've seen that image in other books, and they have some really nice mushroom pictures if you like mushroom pictures. Oh, I guess this is the beginning. Is that really it? I thought there were more than that. Anyway, this book is called The ABCs of Nature. It's a Reader's Digest Association book, and it was published in 1984. Where did I put the cover? I just took the cover off. Oh, here it is. So see if there's an ISBN number. There it is. The ISBN number, in case you can't read it, is 0-89577-169-1. 0-89577-169-1. My first thought was I was going to use these, but then I saw those others and then decided to use them. So these will get used. Oh, I was going to actually take that too. Okay. I may have to use the smaller word instead of that big one. I think that might be better. I don't want to have the ABCs of. I just want nature. But there we go. Yeah, I think this one's too big. It wouldn't fit on the page without going sideways. And now that I'm doing it this other way, I was just planning to collage it. Well, it's still going to be a collage, I guess, technically. But oh, where to put that? Stand it up down there. Okay. I'm going to pause the video and cut out the things I want to cut out, and then I'll come back and we'll glue them in. Okay. Now, these animals, none of these animals live in this kind of nature, but we're going to put them there anyway. And if I can, I'm going to put this man in here. So my thought was to have this, let me zoom in a little bit. Was to have this guy standing against this tree looking up, and this critter eating right there, so that they can all be in there together. And but I don't know if that will fit on my page. I may have to leave him out, even though I think it would be fun to have him in there. So let's go ahead and find a page and tear this down to fit the page. Let's find one of our wider pages. Let's do it on this one right here. And I'm going to start by trimming it where this tree gets to stay in there. And then we will see if I need to take off some more. Let's go ahead and trim it around. Okay. Good. And then we're going to trim it right here. Okay, that way we're keeping as much of this as we can. I think that's good. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down, and then we will decide who we get to add in. We'll decide if the little man gets to go in or not. I'm thinking it'll work, but we'll see. I may have to even cut off an animal if it won't work because of the way I've got the page. Wasn't thinking about that. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, well, I may have to lose a little bit of him, but that's okay. That's pretty good, actually. So Okay, let's get these out of the way. And I'm just going to put nature right up here. Partly on the picture and partly off of it. Okay. Now then, where'd my elephant go? Oh, there he is. Okay. Because we want the elephant to be in the fun here. So if I can put them like this, then I'll just trim off a little bit right here, and that'll still work good. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is glue the elephant in with these other pieces. Okay. There's that. And let's make sure our man's going to work here. We could even put him back here. No, because he would obscure that. He would obscure that other tree. So let's go ahead and put him down. I think I'm going to use glitter glue. That way I can get it on the all the little appendages without causing a problem. Okay. Because I think we're going to have a rhinoceros tusk kind of over part of him. So it's better to put him down first. And then I want to put this guy where it's obvious he's eating that little branch right there. Okay. And we're going to use glitter glue with this one too because I don't want to tear something off trying to use a glue stick. Okay. Now then, let's start by putting him where we want him. We'll let everything else just fall into place where it does. Yep, it was a good idea to put the guy down first because you can see that horn for the rhinoceros is right in front of him. So, okay, I like it. And we're going to go ahead and trim you. Sorry. I don't think it takes away from the page to do that. So I think that's a fun page. I'm enjoying this. Yeah. See, it doesn't take much to make me happy. Just some fun things to collage together and make a new world where animals from the savannah live in the rainforest. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed putting it together. God bless you. Bye-bye.